Hello, kids! Today we will learn about spellings from number 1 to number 20.
One is O-N-E, one sun in the sky. Two is T-W-O, two birds flying high. Three is T-H-R-E-E, three boats on the sea. Four is F-O-U-R, four buzzing bees. Count with me, let's have fun, learning numbers one by one. Sing them loud, spell them too. Counting's fun for me and you. Five is F-I-V-E, five stars shining bright. Six is S-I-X, six kites in flight. Seven is S-E-V-E-N, seven rainbow hues. Eight is E-I-G-H-T, eight pairs of shoes. Count with me, let's have fun, learning numbers one by one. Sing them loud, spell them too. Counting's fun for me and you. Nine is N-I-N-E, nine fish in a stream. 10 is T-E-N, 10 dolls in a dream. 11 is E-L-E-V-E-N, 11 rolling balls. 12 is T-W-E-L-V-E, 12 leaves in fall. Count with me, let's have fun, learning numbers one by one. Sing them loud, spell them too. Counting's fun for me and you. 13 is T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N, 13 jumping frogs. 14 is F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N, 14 barking dogs. 15 is F-I-F-T-E-E-E-N, 15 balloons so bright. 16 is S-I-X-T-E-E-E-N, 16 stars at night. Count with me, let's have fun, learning numbers one by one. Sing them loud, spell them too. Counting's fun for me and you. 17 is S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N, 17 buzzing bees. 18 is E-I-G-H-T-E-E-E-N, 18 dancing trees. 19 is N-I-N-E-T-E-E-E-N, 19 kites so high. 20 is T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20 clouds in the sky. Now we know our numbers well. We can count and we can spell. 1 to 20, we're so smart.
Hello, kids!
Counting's
Today we have
fun.
learned about spellings
from
from
the
number
start.
1 to number 20. Here is quick recap of all. Thank you, friends! Join the fun at TinyQ. Hit subscribe for exciting, fun-filled learning adventure, perfect for curious kids.